Yes, dear student, from today I will start the revision cell. Per class, I will discuss 10 or 15 questions, and in between two questions, 2 or 3 seconds, 2 और 3 सेकंड क्या करेंगे, रुक जाएंगे, and you think the answer and then discuss the question answer. The first question, the outer membrane found in an animal cell. Cell wall, cell membrane, nuclear membrane and cytoplasm. Wait 2 minutes, 2 seconds. You think the answer of this question. You remember the cell wall first. Cell wall present in plant cell only. Then cell membrane. Nuclear membrane bounds the nucleus. Cytoplasm means internal structure of cell. Then what is your answer? Your answer is cell membrane. Second, organisms lacking a nucleus and membrane bound organisms are called diploid, haploid, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Diploid. Diploid is what? First of all you think in 2 seconds what is the answer? First, diploid. Diploid is related with the chromosome. When chromosome present in 2 number, 2 नंबर में होगा तब डिप्लॉयड कहलाएगा. When nucleus present in single, then haploid. And prokaryotes. You remember what is the prokaryotes? Prokaryotes means false nucleus. तो यहाँ क्या करा, lacking. और यूकैरियोट्स में क्या याद है? True nucleus. It means your answer is prokaryotes. Third, relatively large vacuoles are present in all prokaryotes, all eukaryotes, animal cell, plant cell. You think 2 seconds. Your answer is plant cell. Because in animal cell, vacuoles are absent or present in small in size. So plant cell is your answer. The growth of cell is regulated by mitochondria, vacuoles, nucleus and Golgi complex. Your answer is what? Mitochondria is powerhouse of cell, powerhouse of energy. Vacuoles is not answer. Golgi complex, the answer is nucleus. The centriole is associated with DNA synthesis, reproduction, respiration, spindle formation. Answer is spindle formation. When chromosome formed. So it is related to division of cell. So answer is spindle formation. Proteins are formed in Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid, ribosome. You think 2 seconds. तो पहला protein are formed in Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid and ribosome. Do you remember the function of Golgi complex? Golgi complex का काम क्या है? Synthesized protein. In addition of carbohydrate to some protein involved in lysosome and cell plate formation. तो ये आंसर नहीं होगा. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पावर हाउस ऑफ एनर्जी, प्लास्टिड हेल्प इन photosynthesis. Your answer is ribosome. The name suicidal bag has been given to centrioles, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome. You think 2 minutes. So what is your answer? पहला है centrioles. You remember the function of centrioles. Centrioles help in formation of spindle fiber. Ribosome, synthesis of protein. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is powerhouse of energy. Then the rest is lysosome. It means your answer is lysosome. Genes are located on nuclear membrane, lysosome, cell membrane and chromosome. Think. 2 seconds. Nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, the function of nuclear membrane bound the nucleus. Lysosome, suicidal bag of cell. Cell membrane, bounded cell. Then what is your answer? Chromosome. Rest क्या बच गया? Chromosome. तो chromosome is your answer. Biological membrane include only nuclear membrane, only membranes of Golgi complex, only mitochondrial membrane, all the intercellular membrane along with plasma membrane. तो biological membrane में क्या आंसर होगा? Here you remember biological membrane, all the intercellular membrane along with plasma membrane. This is your answer because here only nuclear membrane. यहाँ पे सिर्फ दिखा रहा है कि एक न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन का बायोलॉजिकल मेम्ब्रेन का लाया नहीं. यहाँ पे all the intercellular membrane along with plasma membrane. And last, which of the following is the main difference between onion pill cell and human chick cell? Human chick cell में और onion cell में main difference क्या है? You think for 2 seconds. Presence of mitochondria in onion pill cell only. No. Presence of cell wall in onion pill cell only. Absence of plasma membrane is in chick cell. Absence of endoplasmic reticulum in chick cell. You think for 2 seconds. तो यहाँ हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि ओनियन पिल सेल इज ए प्लांट सेल वेयर एज ह्यूमन चिक सेल इज एनिमल सेल. तो व्हाट इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लांट सेल एंड ह्यूमन सेल या एनिमल सेल? यू रिमेंबर. तो a great difference between these two type of cell is cell wall present in plant cell whereas animal cell wall is absent. It means your answer is presence of cell wall in onion peel only. हम्म,